Packing for any vacation can be really hectic. It's challenging to decide what outfits to pack for different locations and different activities. So it's really essential to ensure you pack that perfect suitcase or carry-on. I mean, if your suitcase or carry-on isn't correctly packed, it could end up ruining your entire trip. And this is not what you want. Of course, you want to go there, have fun, relax your mind, take pictures, create memories, and among other things. So please be sure to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Vacations can be tons of fun depending on where you're traveling to and the activities involved. Hey guys, hello! I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's Shidol here. For the newest subscribers, welcome to the family. So today's video is going to give you advice on how to pack for any vacation. Summer, spring, beach vacation. This video is the one for you. So consider utilizing the following reminders before you start your packing. The first one is pack tightly. I mean, most individuals want to wear different outfits for different occasions and locations each day. If this is how you see your vacation will be like, then consider to pack outfits that are easy to roll and lightweight. Something else to consider is using rubber bands to reduce your clothes to certain size. The second one is coordinate your outfits, because this will help you to pick the right shoes. You won't be needing lots of shoes because 1 or 2 pairs will be enough for the whole vacation. So I feel that flats and sandals are more ideal. So something you can consider is picking a neutral color, black, white, because this will match with absolutely anything. Wear the same outfit for travel. When you're packing for any vacation, make each and every outfit count. Be extremely selective on what goes and what stays. With this in mind, then you'll consider wearing the same outfit for travel. Once you reach your destination, set your travel clothes aside and wash them. With this, you won't be worried about stuffing extra items into your suitcase. Purchase travel size bottles and labels. Whether you're packing shampoo, body oil, or shower gel, consider packing them in travel-sized options. Go to your local store, purchase these types of bottles, fill them with the respective products, and label them. I know this feels hectic already, but it's gonna save you big time. The last bit is leave some space for souvenirs. Always remember to leave room for the items you'll bring back. I know it's petty because you might not be anticipating to bring back tons of items, but you never know. So with these guidelines, then you have the perfect suitcase or carry-on for your vacation. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace.